Telecom.
Fastcar Centro Automotivo. Jairo Pneus, alinhamento, balanceamento, suspensão, freios, escapamentos, rodas, acessórios em geral. Na Avenida Dr. Feliciano Vieira, 111, Machado. Telefone 3295-4827, 8847-2504. Fastcar Centro Automotivo. Aconteceu nesse domingo, dia 30 de setembro, o 23º motocross na cidade de Machado. A festa esteve muito animada com a participação de vários pilotos da região e o público marcou presença em massa. Parabéns aí ao restaurante Casarão, que contribuiu para a realização de mais um motocross na cidade de Machado, a toda a equipe que organizou o motocross e também aos pilotos que deram o show na pista, e também a Prefeitura Municipal de Machado, que apoiou e muito o 23º Motocross de Machado.
Aí passou por aqui também o Diogo, numeração 75. Segunda locução que eu tô fazendo aqui pra mandar uma coisa pra galera. Então, se eu não souber o nome da galera, eu aceito de bom grado aí. Vocês estão passando a orientação do nome dos pilotos. É o Vinícius que está se iniciando agora no esporte. Aí o Daniel. Vem o Éder. Filho de Simões agora aqui. Tenta liberar. Vem o Netão. Número 1. Também no reconhecimento. Pra mim. A gente fez um mix aqui do meu lado, tá os carinhos aqui, cuidado do mundo. Não dá nada aí. Onda nacional.
nature to kill, kill, kill. It was a dream and then it hit me. Reality struck and now my life is all shifty. It all moves fast, close to a $150. We all stand strong in respect to the family in times of insanity. And through words of profanity, I describe our dysfunctional family. Blood brothers keep it real to the end. Deeper than the thoughts you think, not a trend. Corruption and abuse, the salesman of our blood. For the public scraping, existence in the dark. It's in our nature to destroy ourselves. It's in our nature to kill ourselves. It's in our nature to kill each other. It's in our nature to kill, kill, kill. It's in our nature to destroy ourselves. It's in our nature to kill ourselves. It's in our nature to kill each other. It's in our nature to kill, kill, kill. Again and again. Corruption and abuse, the salesman of our blood. For the public's craving, existence in the dark. It's in our nature to destroy ourselves. It's in our nature to kill ourselves. It's in our nature to kill each other. It's in our nature to kill, 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 kill. It's in our nature to destroy ourselves. It's in our nature to kill ourselves. It's in our nature to kill each other. It's in our nature to kill. a breath away, losing my faith today.
I'm falling off the edge today.
I am just a man, not superhuman.
I'm not superhuman.
Someone save me from the hate. It's just another war, just another family torn.
Falling from my feet today.
Just a step on the edge, just another day in the world we live. I need a hero to save me now. I need a hero. I need a hero to save my life. A hero will save me.
Just in time.
I've gotta fight today to live another day, speaking my mind today.
My voice will be heard today.
I've gotta make a stand, but I am just a man.
I'm not superhuman.
My voice will be heard today. It's just another war, just another family
My
torn.
voice will be heard today.
It's just another kill. The countdown begins to destroy us.